In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to a list using Getresponse. First, log into your Getresponse account and head to the main dashboard. From here, you'll want to move into the section where all of your email campaigns are managed. Look for the menu option labeled Tools, and then select Email Marketing. This is where you'll create and manage your newsletters, broadcasts, and other campaign emails. Once you're in the email marketing area, go ahead and click on Create Newsletter. This is the starting point for sending a one-time email to your list. Think of a newsletter here simply as any email campaign you want to send to one or more groups of contacts. After choosing to create a newsletter, the next important step is telling Getresponse who should receive this email. Click on Add Recipients. You'll see a list of your existing contact lists and possibly segments, depending on how you organize your contacts. Select the list or lists that you want this email to go out to. Take a moment here to double-check you're choosing the correct audience, because that determines exactly who will see your message. With your recipients selected, it's time to design the email itself. Click on Design Message. Getresponse will show you a variety of templates you can use. These templates are pre-built designs that help you quickly put together a professional-looking email without needing to start from scratch. Choose any template that fits the style and purpose of your email. For example, you might pick a simple text-focused template for announcements, or a more visual template if you're promoting products or sharing multiple pieces of content. Once you've chosen a template, you'll be taken into the editor. Here, you can customize the text, change images, adjust colors, and add buttons or links, depending on what the template allows. When you're finished making your edits, take a moment to proofread everything and make sure all your links are working correctly. When you're happy with how it looks, click Next in the editor to move on. On the final screen, you'll see options to either send the message right away or schedule it for later. If you're ready for the email to go out immediately, click Send Message. If you'd rather have it go out at a specific date and time, choose Schedule, set your preferred time, and confirm. And that's it. You've successfully set up and sent an email to your list using Getresponse.